In this video, you will learn how to change the default import settings. Before we import any models, let's take a minute to check our import settings. Select the Options icon from the Home ribbon or Quick Access toolbar. Expand Synchronization, then 3D, and highlight Import Settings. Ensure that Read Unit Information is enabled and the default project units are correct. In this tutorial, we will use millimeters. Ensure that Process User Fields, ignore 3D objects without geometry, ignore hidden 3D objects, and ignore wireframe 3D objects are all enabled. Default tessellation accuracy will give a good result in most cases and economy of memory. You can increase accuracy value if you have a specific geometry in the model, such as complicated curved geometry, when using models in any of these formats. In such circumstances, disable default tessellation accuracy and set the custom tessellation accuracy to 90. Obviously, there will be times when you need to modify these settings to get the required result on import. Highlight Import Transformation. Because we are using DWF models, we will need to rotate these models in the x-axis by 90 degrees when importing into Synchro. Note that this option is only required when importing DWF files. Therefore, ensure that Rotate on Import DWF format is enabled. Expand Import Settings and highlight 3D CAD formats. Very occasionally, you may see cracks due to triangulation between surfaces contained in a solid body. If this is the case, enable Match Facet Vertices across a common edge, but for the majority of the time, leave it disabled. Break parts create separate 3D objects for solid bodies in a part file. Always keep this enabled.